car review. I drove the 2023 Nissan Versa. This is the entry-level sedan from Nissan, available in 3 trim levels, S, SV, and SR. I had the top-of-the-line SR. This is considered a subcompact automobile. Seats 5 people, including the driver. All new in 2020. Exterior features, cute with the Nissan nose and a sharp-looking grille. Does look good. Attractive alloy wheels, great lighting front and back, floating roof look. It's a paint feature on the roof.
Yep.
And what I liked about it, the great overall design for a subcompact. This car's come a long way. Trust me. Remember, when it first came out, you went, ooh. It was not.
The Versa, yeah, it was.
Yeah, it was ugly.
It was
tiny.
a gag.
Yeah.
Tiny.
Interior highlights: comfortable and good-looking cloth seats. Yay me!
Yep.
Because I love those
Mr.
cloth seats. I do. And the new cloth material in these cars, and all of them really, just awesome. Because they breathe.
And they're durable.
They're durable, and they look good. They've zipped it up really good. Good-looking dash with stitched accents on the dash pad. Yes, in the Versa. Wireless charge point for the phone, 8-inch color touch screen with great graphics. It's easy to use as well. As far as cargo or trunk room, adequate for its diminutive size, but also consider the fact, if it's important to you, the trunk opening, the opening itself is kind of small, so you're not going to get grandma's steamer in there.
Oh, steamer trunk.
Can you get grandma in there?
In the trunk.
In the trunk. Maybe we can.
It's junk in the trunk.
The junk in the trunk. What I liked, separate knobs and controls and pods for the radio and the air conditioning. What could use improvement? Nothing. Solid design through and through. 1.6-liter 4-cylinder engine with a whopping 122 horsepower.
Oh, wow.
Not bad.
114 pound-feet of torque. But remember, the car doesn't weigh anything. It has a CVT transmission, which is the real key to getting the thing
Runs
off.
in the sweet spot.
Yeah, runs in the sweet spot all the time. Now, if you get the base model car, then you have the option of putting a 5-speed manual in it. Well, guess what I would choose?
Sure.
5-speed manual. Miles per gallon, rated at 27 city, 35 for the highway for a combined of 30. I got 37.6 miles per gallon over 349.6 miles.
Thank you, Nissan.
Uh-huh. What I liked about it, fuel economy. What could use improvement? Well, I think, but that probably wouldn't sell any except to some idiot like me, a turbocharger option.
Oh.
For a touch more passing power. That would just be me, but how much more could it be to offer that? Because the engine compartment's got the room for it. You wouldn't have to change anything else. Just put a little turbo on there. Small one.
It's a little turbo.
A little bitty one. Ride and handling, sporty. What could use improvement? Add more content and offer more options. Of course, from there, up goes the price. Speaking of price, the base trim price was $2,215.
Not
The
bad.
base model price, just for the Versa, the bare bones Versa.
18.
You want to guess?
18.
18? Jeff says 18. You say
High 16s.
Mars is out of touch. But I will tell you that the base model price starts at $15,830.
Wow.
Hello, college.
Oh,
Hello,
I win. It's the Price is Right.
No, but
Yay!
you were over. You went
I
over.
went over, yeah.
You're not spinning anything, buddy.
So competitors to the vehicle, the Hyundai Accent for $16,645, the Kia Rio for $16,750, and the Mitsubishi Mirage for $16,245.
Even
Nissan
at our
wins.
prices, it was good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But pretty impressive little vehicle. So if you're looking for something new with a warranty for your kid to go off to school with.
And that's that time of year.
Yep. Then there you go. There's a good suggestion for you. And that is this hour's car review.